Hey there everybody, I'm back and I'm on my way to get that order of mine of chicken mayo that I was bragging about yesterday. I just hope it's the same quality as it was before. So let's check it out. So, finally got it. I open it up and it looks awesome. The thing I like about it, it's so filling. It's not like some other places that you go to and it's so substandard. And obviously I'm going to go into my special corner where I like to eat. Everything's ready there for us to chow down. Yeah, just like I said and just like I promised, everything's a little bit wet because it hasn't stopped raining. It's been raining since Christmas. I mean, even my sister's husband had to bra in the rain and he pulled it off. Somehow, someway he pulled it off and it rained hard that day. I take my hat off to that guy. But anyway, check that out. Look at that. Chips. Crunchy. Spicy. So delicious. Look at that chicken mayo. Oh, that's a chicken mayo sandwich. Look at that. With cheese. Delicious. And I told you it's good. And I don't like chips smothered in sauce. I like it with spice on it. I'll put my own sauce. My favorite, all gold. Wellington's isn't bad, but I'll rather choose all gold. That's really know how to make chips crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. I hate it when chips are limp. I hate it. But it's so good. Let's take a bite out of this chicken mayo. And one thing I must admit, a lot of places when they make chicken mayo, they get a lot of things wrong. As in the tang and the flavor of it. Some places they'll put like big chicken mayo just in the tip here, and then at the rest there's nothing. They just like to deceive you, and that's why I don't really buy much from delis. It's supermarkets and stuff like that. That's a toasted chicken mayo sandwich for you, man. Look at that. So much meat. And have some nice strawberry cold drink. Wash it all down. So if you're in Polokwane and you like chicken mayo and struggling to find a place that makes a good chicken mayo, try number 1 Padstal on the Loose Road. Can't go wrong.